Hi, welcome to my channel where I'll be posting content related to food and products. If you're new here, hey, follow my other channel Janvika Academy to know more about me. Today, I'm chopping sets of tomatoes and onions for a North Indian red lobia curry. The first set, I'm cutting them into slightly big chunks so that they can be ground into a paste for the gravy. The other set, sorry, I'm not doing the job, but the chopper is chopping the tomatoes and onions into fine pieces to be sauteed with the lobia lentils. Stay tuned for the next videos on Chopping with Me series. Of course, do like, comment and share. Subscribe for more. Bye bye.